If BMW didn't just build a motorhome, but engineered the ultimate driving machine for life on the road? Imagine precision, luxury, and power coming together in one bold creation. This is the 2026 BMW Motorhome Truck, and today on RV TourHub, we're taking you inside a motorhome that completely redefines premium travel. The first impression is pure BMW attitude. Sharp lines, a confident front design, and a commanding road presence make this motorhome feel more like a high-performance machine than a traditional RV. Every detail reflects BMW's signature engineering philosophy: clean, aggressive, and purpose-built. This motorhome doesn't blend in on the highway, it leads it. Step inside and the atmosphere instantly changes. The interior feels modern, refined, and surprisingly spacious. BMW-inspired design elements, premium leather finishes, and soft-touch materials create a luxury cabin experience you'd expect from a high-end sedan, now expanded into a full living space. Ambient LED lighting adapts to day and night, setting the perfect mood whether you're cruising or parked under the stars. The living area is designed for comfort and functionality. A plush sofa paired with a sleek dining table offers the perfect spot to relax, work, or enjoy meals. A large LCD display integrates entertainment, navigation, and vehicle controls, keeping everything smart and connected. Panoramic windows surround the space, delivering breathtaking views and natural light wherever your journey takes you. The kitchen is compact yet elegant, featuring modern appliances, smooth countertops, and intelligently placed storage. Everything is designed to be efficient without sacrificing style, making everyday living on the road feel effortless and refined. When it's time to rest, the sleeping area delivers true comfort. The main bed offers a premium mattress, quiet surroundings, and thoughtful storage, creating a peaceful retreat after long drives. A second sleeping arrangement adds flexibility for guests or family, making this motorhome ideal for both solo adventurers and shared journeys. The washroom continues the luxury theme with a clean, contemporary design. A separate shower area, stylish sink, and high-quality fittings ensure you never feel like you're compromising on comfort, even miles away from civilization. What truly sets the 2026 BMW Motorhome Truck apart is the driving experience. Known for performance and control, BMW brings advanced handling systems, smooth power delivery, and driver-focused technology to a motorhome platform. Long drives feel easier, safer, and more enjoyable. The 2026 BMW Motorhome Truck isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement. It's built for travelers who demand performance, luxury, and innovation without compromise. Subscribe to RV TourHub for more exclusive motorhome tours, and let us know in the comments, would you take this BMW motorhome on your next road adventure?